Think the battery health percentage in your iPhone's settings menu is giving you the exact unrounded truth? Think again. The percentage displayed in the standard settings menu is an estimate that gets rounded to the nearest whole number, meaning your true raw battery health could be slightly different than what you see. Plus, if you're using an older device, the system hides your total charging cycle counts completely. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to get a safe, native shortcut to extract the hidden diagnostic data buried inside iOS. It will show you your exact cycle count and true fractional battery health percentage. No computer required. Let's set it up. First, open up any browser on your phone and search for Battery Health Shortcut. Click on the very first website that pops up. Once it loads, scroll down until you see the button for the Battery Stat Shortcut download. Tap that download button and it will automatically open your phone's native Shortcuts app. Just tap Add Shortcut at the bottom and the tool is installed and ready to go. Go back to your main settings page, scroll down and locate Privacy and Security. From here, scroll all the way to the bottom and tap on Analytics and Improvements, and then tap on Analytics Data. Now you'll see a massive list of system files. Don't worry about the clutter. Just locate the file named Analytics-Year-Month-Day with today's date. Tap to open the latest file. You'll see a massive wall of code that's impossible to read manually. Click the share icon in the top right corner of the screen. Look for the shortcut we just downloaded called Battery Stat and tap it. And just like that, the shortcut filters through thousands of lines of data and hands you the unrounded truth. Right here, it displays your original health, your current actual capacity, and your exact battery cycle count. Now you know exactly what is happening under the hood. Right here, it displays your original health, your current actual capacity, and your exact battery cycle count. Now you know exactly what is happening under the hood. If this video saved you time and gave you the real answers, smash that like button, subscribe to the channel for more straight-to-the-point tech fixes, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. See you later, alligator.